Welcome! In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you'll find the power saving toggle. Hopefully. Oh, and there it is. It's like nearly the last thing, and it looks a little bit different. Now it's called battery saver right here. So you can click on it. When you do, it gives you a pop-up. So turn on battery saver. To extend battery life, battery saver will turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So let's select OK, and there we go. It is now running in the background. So it looks like it doesn't change things like brightness. So if you want to give a decent boost to your battery life, you can lower your brightness, which obviously your display will be less bright, but you will get a bit of battery life from that as well. So lower it as far as you feel comfortable with, and that's basically all you can do. Now there might be also another thing happening in the background, like Wi-Fi and mobile data not working when the device is in sleep mode, though it wasn't stated. So if you experience that your notifications aren't arriving when they were, for instance, being sent by someone, then that's probably the reason for it. Usually the devices do disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode, and we connect to it every so often just to see if they're missing something. So they will deliver your notification all in bulk, but not as frequently. So anyway, once you're done in your power saving mode, you can tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, and as you can see, almost everything will go back to normal. Almost is because if you change the brightness yourself, you will need to change it again yourself. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.